Sheri mama sheri baba la layo. Ulobo senteriba. Why you go for monezi? Why your prayer warrior the body? If you see them, they come make you run. Raposele passe baba. Right hand in a Bible, left hand in a wayo. Now wayo.
Chai, my people, Nollywood is on fire again though, as we be think say the whole matter don't settle. It be like say now drama they start. Nollywood actress Queeneth Hirbert don't go run test wey confirm say nothing they do her, say she even dey on colors free. She took to her verified Instagram page to post the result. Now so Stanley Ontop come out to call am lie, say the result allegedly they fake. Make she come out, make they do the test together. My people no be small thing. She still dey even talk about those where they snatch for industry. Make her play the video, make you self watch. Watch to the very end and share this video out.
They call you a snatcher, you be like, yeah, I'm a snatchy, that's what I am. When you see with that one in your mouth, that one will be big. You know you ate a very good one. Not you coming to snatch something that is not even reasonable. It doesn't even make any sense to me. No, seriously now, let's be clear on this. And then you even have the guts, just because you think, for the fact that you're even my colleague, I'm going to be nice enough not to call your name out on this particular video, but the next time you try it again, I will drag your womb, your uterus, your tacky, wacky lineage and generations together, because you're sick of the head. You have the guts to call someone you see beside me, sir, please make me a star too. We all know that Queeneth is doing so well for herself because you're beside her. Yes, we know how she was. How many things have I achieved before you think I met this person? How many things do you think I've done in life before I met this person? This person actually came beside me or came to me because he saw me looking good. She saw me also looking good. So why would you think I am funding my bills or my goals through this person? Why would they snatch nonsense? Stop snatching rubbish and think you're snatching something. Stop doing that. You want to snatch something? Snatch it big. You know, very big. Then we know you're big. You're snatching something reasonable for yourself. Don't be thinking, oh, okay, without this person, this is the person that's actually making Queeneth. No, my God made me. I am a child of grace. I know where I'm from. And nobody is going to stop me from getting anything I want to get. And I'm not stopping anybody. And this is not just a letter to all my ex. I mean, most people that think they snatch something reasonable from me. Oh, God, I wish you well. Most of them are already running kitty. They're already out. Most are still there. Some even don't even get womb. See, they drag man on top of them. Where they wear them day. See, they drag man. But it's okay. It's all right. I'm not here to, you know, blame anybody or say any shit. I mean, I'm not even part of drama in the first place. You guys know me. But all I'm saying is, please, let's be guided. Don't be snatching somebody that a woman's grace is covering. Don't be snatching somebody that a man's grace is covering. Once the woman leaves the man, he falls from Odogu to Odiebu.